Everyone, so the last time I think we started with Revti's musical plans. So did you all do the homework for the same? Just reply to me in the chat. I had asked you to do certain activities. I request everyone to please reply. Did anyone face any difficulty anywhere by any chance? Any difficulties that you guys faced? No? Okay. All right, guys. So I think then we are good to start with a new topic. So I will be sharing my screen now and we will begin. So everyone, the poetry that we are doing today, it's called A Time to Believe. Uh, and coincidentally, today I came across a video which was sent to me by one of my friends. Um we play football together, and my favorite team wasn't doing really well, and his favorite team is going to win. So, I just sent a message on the group saying that it doesn't make sense to have any hopes with the team now because we're doing pretty bad. And he sent me a video that said, "Do not be a doubter, be a believer." Okay, and coincidentally, that is the kind of poem we're doing today. So I'll just give you an idea about what are we going to learn in the poem. So this poem, "A Time to Believe," is one of the short inspirational poems about life for the readers. Okay, this poem is written by B.J. Mobitzer. However, no information is available on the author. The information is a little in scanty. It's a little scanty, not that much. The poem "A Time to Believe" is undoubtedly a masterpiece. Okay, so this poem is one of the best motivational and inspirational poems out there that you will come across. बहुत motivation है, बहुत inspiration है, and this poem aims to give the readers hope and reasons to believe in better things in order to change their lives. Guys, our lives have become so fast. We do not have time to sit and think about our mental health. And I'm really sure that you people have been reading news and you have been watching television, reading and watching some news out there. A week ago, a very talented Bollywood star ended his life. Maybe, no, see, we all don't know what exactly happened with him. But of course, you end your life only when you don't believe. You don't have any hope left, right? But this poem, it inspires us. It makes us believe that life is not as bad as they say it is. Okay. So I think you do have a good idea about it now. So we will start reading the poem. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. So the poem begins with the author telling us, the readers, that to believe means to know that every day is a new beginning. अगर आज का दिन खराब गया है तो कल का दिन वापस से नया शुरू होगा. कल का दिन हम फिर से कोशिश कर सकते हैं, right? This sentence means that the readers, all of us, should not dwell on the happenings of the previous day. हम लोगों को कल क्या हुआ था उस पर नहीं जीना है. And instead we have to start anew when the sun rises, right? And this poem, okay, reminds me of a very beautiful song from a movie called Mr. India. So I don't know if you people have ever watched that movie or not, but when I was a kid, when a lot of your teachers were kids, this one movie, Mr. India, was one of our favorites, and it is still my favorite. Whenever it comes up, I watch it. And there's a very inspirational song. The lyrics of the song say, "जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद जीत है, थोड़े आंसू हैं, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी." Right? Which simply tells us that that's how life works. Sometimes there are tears, sometimes there are happiness and laughter, sometimes there is loss, sometimes there is victory. Today, if there's sadness, tomorrow there will definitely be happiness, right? So that's what he says. So let us not spend our lives thinking that yesterday was a bad day. Instead, let us start anew when the sun rises. Furthermore, the author always asks us to believe in miracles, that miracle happen every day. Honestly, I don't know whether miracles really happen, but I would want to believe that miracles do happen, because what I've read is miracles happen with the people who believe that they happen, right? So that's what he says. And more importantly, dreams do come true. There are a lot of us who dream. There are a lot of us who dream to do a lot of things in life. And some of us believe that dreams don't come true, but that's not the case. Dreams do come true. We watch so many motivational movies, right? And that's what these movies tell us. That's the message that we get. So guys, that is what the first stanza means. I think that was pretty simple to understand. All right. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a starless sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. So guys, we all know what angels are. Angels are those good souls or spirits, and stardust sky is sky which is completely covered with stars. Wonder is the magic. Okay, so I'll just tell you what does this stanza mean. So in this stanza, the poet tells us that to believe is to be able to see angels dance amidst the clouds. अब एंजल हमने कभी किसी ने देखा नहीं है, बट बिलीव करना है तो वही सारी चीजें करनी है जो शायद प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट दैट इज व्हाट मिरेकल्स आर, राइट? मिरेकल्स डू नॉट एक्सप्लेन लॉजिक. मिरेकल्स डिफाई लॉजिक. अगर आप कोई मिरेकल आपके साथ होता है और अगर आप लॉजिक लगाने जाओगे तो आपको कोई लॉजिक नहीं मिलने वाला. यू हैव नो आइडिया कि ये क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, राइट? सो बिलीव मतलब कैसा बिलीव होना चाहिए? ऐसा बिलीव दैट your belief that you can see angels should be so strong that when you look into the clouds you can actually see them dancing, and to know the meaning and the wonder of a beautiful sky above our heads, which is full of stars. जो हमारे सर के ऊपर जो स्काई है जिसमें बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं, वो बहुत मैजिकल है. ये बिलीव करना चाहिए हमको. Furthermore, he also tells us that it also means to know that a wonder of the man who resides on the moon. Okay, he tells us that it's important it's important for all of us to believe in the wisdom as in knowledge, intelligence of the man in the moon. So moon पर कोई अभी तक है या नहीं है हम नहीं जानते, बट बिलीव करना बहुत जरूरी है कि मून पर भी कोई ना कोई होगा जो बहुत ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट होगा. We go to the next stanza. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. So, in the third stanza, the author tells us that to believe is to understand the love of a nurturing heart. Nurturing का meaning लिखिए everybody. Nurturing is caring heart. CARING. Caring heart. Okay. So it is important to believe, to understand the love of a caring heart. Additionally, it also means to understand the innocence of a little child's eyes. एक बच्चे के अंदर भी उसकी आंखों में भी प्यार होता है. It is very important for us to understand the innocence of a little child's eyes. And to believe also means to be able to understand the beauty of an aging hand. I'm sure you all understand what does aging hand mean. It means the hands of our old parents. It means the hands of our grandparents, right? Maybe your parents are not really old right now, but let us understand as we are growing, our parents are growing too. As our parents are growing, our grandparents are growing too. And that's when you have to understand that age is something that old age is something that everyone is going to confront someday. And it is important to understand the beauty and the love of those aging hands also. Even though those aging hands do not have a lot of strength, they still have strength to shower some love on you and me. The author concludes this stanza by telling the readers that it is through the love of a nurturing heart, the innocence of children, and by understanding the beauty of an aging hand that we come to know of the greatest life lessons. हमारे लाइफ के जितने भी बड़े बड़े लेसन हैं वो हमको मालूम पड़ते हैं उसका सबसे बड़ा कारण ये तीन चीजें हैं द रीजंस how or maybe the medium or the way by which we can get the greatest life lessons is by understanding the love of a nurturing heart, the innocence of children, and by understanding the beauty of old aging hands. Let's go to the next stanza. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it's time to pick up the pieces and begin again. I love this stanza. This is one of my favorite stanzas. So he, towards the end of the poem, in the second last stanza, tells us that to believe is to know that none of us is ever alone. ये believe करना कि हम अकेले नहीं हैं, हम कमजोर नहीं हैं. All of us have a well of courage inside us. हम सबके अंदर बहुत courage है. वो सिर्फ हिम्मत या टाइम आने पर बाहर आता है. हम में से कोई भी कमजोर नहीं है. हिम्मत सब में है. बस हम वो हिम्मत को पहचानते नहीं हैं. तो वक्त आने पर पहचानते हैं. और मेरा तो बिलीफ ऐसा है that when God created human, He gave all His powers to us. He gave all His powers to human beings. But then when He was about to pour all the blessings on us, He realized कि अगर मैंने इसको इसके सारे पावर दे दिए तो ये एक दिन खुद को ही भगवान समझने लगेगा. और अगर ये खुद को भगवान समझने लगेगा तो ये मुझे भूल जाएगा. और इसलिए what He did was He gave us the powers, the courage. But He made sure that we don't know that we are powerful. क्योंकि देखो गाइज आज हम पावरफुल इतने नहीं हैं फिर भी हमने दुनिया की देखो क्या हालत कर दी है. आज कोविड-19 चालू है, आज टेररिज्म चालू है. अभी तो हम अभी तो भगवान भी नहीं है, हमको मालूम भी नहीं है कि हम कितने इंटेलिजेंट और कितने पावरफुल हैं. ओके, स्टिल लुक एट द कंडीशन दैट वी made of this beautiful earth that was created. So I believe that God puts us through problems and difficulties. और वो difficulties में हमको शुरुआत में लगता है कि कोई बात नहीं यार कर लेंगे. और जब हम वो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने जाते हैं we realize कि प्रॉब्लम तो बढ़ते ही जा रही है. And then we start thinking कि यार अब गलती तो नहीं कर दी है प्रॉब्लम को फेस करके. शायद ये प्रॉब्लम को पहले ही क्विट कर देना चाहिए था. But now that you've already started facing the problem, you cannot quit now. And one fine day you realize that the problem is gone. And that's when you realize that you were so powerful. A simple example, when I went to one of the amusement parks called Aqua Magica, so there was a slide, a 90-degree slide. And I was really scared of it. I thought I could not do it. So one of my friends, we all went up there and I was really scared. I did not want to go. So one of my friends simply just pushed me into that slide and I reached down. And when I reached, I realized that I was alive. I realized that I made it. I could do it. And I realized कि मैं तो ऐसे ही डर रहा था यार. मेरे में तो ताकत है इस चीज को फेस करने का. So that's how it is. So we all have the courage inside us. And to tap into our inner strengths, all we need to do is to believe that we can make it. बस इसको बाहर निकालने के लिए बिलीफ होना चाहिए कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम है हम इससे जरूर लड़के बाहर निकलेंगे. All we will ever need to fix our broken pieces together is our undeniable belief. Our broken pieces का मतलब है जब हम फेल होते हैं तो हम टूट जाते हैं. जब हम टूट जाते हैं तो हमको लगता है हमारे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं है। तो वही बोल रहे हैं पोएट कि हिम्मत हमारे अंदर है, बस उन टुकड़ों को फिर से जोड़कर खड़े होकर चलने की जरूरत है। बस उतनी हिम्मत हमको हम में चाहिए। एंड दैट इज द बिलीफ दैट वी शुड हैव इनसाइड अस। To believe is to know that we are not alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know that हम अकेले नहीं हैं, लाइफ जो है ना वो एक गिफ्ट है हमारे लिए, वो एक गिफ्ट है, एक तोहफा है, और इस तोहफे को छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए, इस तोहफे को ऐसे एंड नहीं करना चाहिए जैसे काफी लोग कर देते हैं। क्योंकि याद रखना स्टूडेंट्स दैट दिस गिफ्ट not everyone gets, especially the life of a human being. There are so many animals out there who suffer. I'm sure आपने सुना रहेगा वो एलिफेंट के बारे में जिसको कुछ इंसानों ने एक ग्रेनेड पाइनएप्पल के अंदर डाल के खिला दिया और वो मर गया। क्या हमारी लाइफ ऐसी है? नहीं। We have a good life, guys. Of course, not everything is going as per our plan. But if you compare our lives with the other creatures on this planet, we are very lucky to be given this life of a human, and we should make full use of this life. Okay, we have to cherish, that is enjoy every moment. Cherish ka matlab enjoy, celebrate every moment. Okay, and let us see the last stanza. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach, if only we believe. So in the end, the poet tells us that surprises are just around the corner. बस होने को ही है miracles और surprises, and our hope and our dreams are only an arm length away. थोड़े ही दूर हैं हमसे, बस थोड़ी और मेहनत करने की जरूरत है और हम उन्हें पूरा कर लेंगे. And in order to attain them, we must never forget the gift of God to humans, which is nothing more than the ability to believe in good things. All right? बस ये सब हो सकता है अगर हम बिलीव करना चाहे तो. Okay, guys? So, students, I want you to do this homework, that is to rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. पोम में से जैसे कि जो पहला वाला वर्ड है, इसका क्या एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बन सकता है वो आप लिखेंगे. Then I want you to do activity 1B. आपको वो वर्ड्स लिखने हैं पोएम से जो स्काई को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, हार्ट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. ओके, जैसे कि स्काई है स्टार डस्ट, वैसे हार्ट क्या है, हैंड क्या है, बिगिनिंग क्या है, सरप्राइजेस क्या है, वो सब. ओके, and then I want you to do activity number 3, that is make a list of any 6 things that the poet wants us to accept as true. कौन सी चीजें हैं जो पोएट चाहते हैं कि हम जिसे बिलीव करें, जैसे कि वो चाहते हैं कि हम बिलीव करें दैट सरप्राइजेस अराउंड द कॉर्नर, वो चाहते हैं हम बिलीव करें दैट एंजल्स डांस इन द स्काई, वो सब लिखना है आपको. एंड द लास्ट वन, आई वांट यू टू फाइंड फ्रॉम द पोएम पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज टू फिल अप द वेब. ओके, पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज क्या होनी चाहिए हमें. एक्टिविटी नंबर 4. सो गाइस, योर होमवर्क इज activity number 1A, 1B, activity number 3, and activity number 4. Okay, now I am putting my screen share off. You can post your doubts. You can post your doubts here and I will solve your doubts. You can do all of this in the textbook. Janisha Patel said she has a doubt. Yes, Janisha, please post your doubt. If you have no doubts, then you can write no doubts. And if you have a